down angle, wasn't it?
Really rotating. Okay, so it didn't actually come out that straight. My own tyres up.
Your aiming has been on.
Freaking good. Really close to the camera and aiming at it. Really?
Oh, really dug
Oh,
in.
and could have helped. No, I think it was already gone. You can see it already split. Oh, it didn't actually go through it.
Nah, straight then.
Oh, yeah.
It really pops it open.
3, 2, 1, boom! Oh! Yes! Look at it! It was perfect! Hey, there's Rashid!